Sofia Vergara is muy caliente. But this Modern Family star isn't just looks. She can bring the funny with the best of them. It's no wonder she's the highest paid actress on TV. One look at Ian Somerhalder's Baby Blues and you'll know why we wouldn't mind getting bitten by this Vampire Diaries star. Still, Ian's sexiness is more than just skin deep. His nonprofit organization, the Ian Somerhalder Foundation, helps protect animals and the environment. Scandal is one of the sexiest shows on television, and Kerry Washington is a major reason why. Her pillowy lips keep us hanging on to Olivia Pope's every word and keep us coming back for more. We can't wait for season 2 of The Leftovers to get a second helping of Justin Theroux. Between his love of motorcycles and body full of tattoos, he has a super sexy, mysterious bad boy thing going on. It's no wonder Jennifer Aniston nabbed herself this hottie. With her gorgeous eyes, full lips, and sexy sense of style, Pretty Little Liars star Ashley Benson is a full-fledged beauty. She's a total knockout, and that's the truth. There are 6 reasons Arrow star Stephen Amell makes the list. Yup, his abs. But this on-screen superhero doesn't just look good with his shirt off. We'd let him come to our rescue any day of the week. And those were 6 of the sexiest stars on TV.